Hello everyone, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Again, I'm Ali. Today we are going to one of the Halal burger and Santa Clara City BurgerIM burger. They have a couple fast food and around the United States. We coming here today try your burger, French fries. Please stay with us to the end of this video, and don't forget subscribe your channel and support your halal food tester. Let's go inside.
And onion rings, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And for your 8 rings, buffalo sauce. Okay, that's it? Okay.
So we are here, BurgerIM burger, one of the Halal burger and Santa Clara. We order our family pack. The family pack is like around 40 bags. I order our food now. We go outside, try this good place too. They have dining and outside. I want to try how is the test is. I will try it. See this beautiful place inside. Also, unfortunately for pandemic, we're not allowed to sit inside, but we doing outside. So stay with us to the end of this video. Thank you. We are waiting for BurgerIM burger. Our burger is ready. Let's see what's inside. So delicious. You want to eat the fries? Okay. So this is the extra fries here. Look at this. Wow.
They eat it with the sauce. Eat it with the sauce.
Yeah.
They eat it with the sauce. Eat it with the sauce.
So, thank you. What's the name of those?
These are all are like beef hamburgers, the beef sliders,
Okay.
the buffalo wings, fries, and onion rings.
Buffalo wings,
Fries,
fries, and
onion rings.
onion rings.
And all 8 sliders.
That's slices.
Daddy.
Oh,
Eat
Yeah.
this with the sauce.
okay.
Like chicken.
This is buffalo. Right.
Look at them.
Let's try buffalo wings.
I really want to look at
Crispy. Also spicy. The taste is very good. Cooks well done. buffalo wings was so delicious. We'll try onion ring. Sauce. Crispy. Look at the onion. Nice our burger. Onion, garlic, onion, tomato, veggie, cheese, beef. A little bit salt.
I didn't do green beans.
Oh, there's not green beans. It is?
The green beans are like salad.
Huh? How do you like it?
Good.
Good? Wow. That's okay. Not bad. Delicious.
It's nice. It's gonna grow up.
Oh. So delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and support your halal food tester. I'm going to city to city, country to country, review only halal food. And thanks for your beautiful comment and your support. Thumbs up. See you next time. Ya Allah, assalamu alaikum.